Dry air making its grand appearance here across the Sunshine State, and certainly has been welcomed as we look back into the past week where conditions have been anything but sunny. And today, and really the past couple of days, we've seen the dry air helping to suppress the rain coverage across the area, and I'll expect it to continue with dry air being in place over the next couple of days. So we should be in this pattern now through at least the early part of the week before we do see moisture building back into our forecast. And that should help to increase the rain chances. You'll see more on that in my 7-day forecast. But let's break down your morning temperatures. Your Monday morning commute's looking good. Most areas starting out, some areas inland zones should be in the lower 70s. Those will start to increase though by the time we get to the coast. 75 in Fort Myers, looking for upper 70s anywhere from Bonita Springs to Marco Island. But by afternoon, a lot of sun. Very little rain. That's going to translate to temperatures easily in the low 90s. 90 for a high is what we'll call it in Fort Myers, Punta Gorda, upper 80s along Arcadia, 91 in Naples, 88 in Sanibel. Once again, these could feel like mid to upper 90s by the time we get to the afternoon hours, especially when we factor in the humidity index as well. Now, Storm Patrol forecast. Watch very closely because you might miss the rains as we fast forward. This is your Monday morning commute. It's looking good. Very clear in terms of the skies, maybe a little bit of clouds, but not a lot. So we'll call it a mix of sun and clouds by afternoon. Very isolated shower. So maybe an isolated shower out there towards Hendry County, but not a whole lot going on through the evening. So we should be very dry, very nice, plenty of sunshine. So if you're planning on, I think you could actually leave the umbrellas at home on your Monday as we stay in actually a drier pattern. I think Monday will be one of our drier days of the past couple, which have certainly been dry. In fact, there's your Tuesday. We're looking good to start it out. And then by afternoon, not a whole lot. So once again, the next couple of days, not a whole lot of accumulation, not expecting widespread rains or heavy rains for that fact of the matter, as most areas will stay dry and very few folks will see the rains as we continue to make it through. Water weather forecast, though, if you're heading out on your boats, we'll call it a light chop, seas 1 to 2 feet in the bay and inland waters with a northeast to northwest in the afternoon at about 10 knots. High tide just after 6 a.m., low tide in the mid-afternoon hours, so that'll spell some good news out there if you're planning on being out there in the afternoon. So the story goes like this: looking for mainly dry, start to build in the rain chances some as we kick off the start of fall. Isolated storms there, and then as well as we head into Thursday, Friday, we'll start to up those rain chances some.